Hi guys, hope everybody is doing great today. So today I'm going to cook dessert, very famous in coastal places like from Mangalore to Goa. So you just need three ingredients in this: egg, sugar and oil. That's it. Very easy to make. So please do try this at home and give me a feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, you have to subscribe to my channel. Cheers! So let's get started. We'll start with eggs. So we're gonna mix this very well. So it's ready now. So we're gonna start our cooking procedure. So let's go. So it's ready. So we'll add oil in this. 1 mug of oil. So once it is hot, we're gonna start our egg dessert. I'll show you how to do this. So we're gonna just drop it. So we're gonna cook this till it's brown, and then we're gonna flip this over. So we will flip this over now. And let this cook for say 3 minutes. So it's almost ready now. So I'll show you how beautiful it looks. We'll flip this again. So it's almost brown now, so we'll keep it for 1 minute and then we'll take it. So it's ready. So we're gonna take this out. So what we'll do is we'll try to separate softly and make it into not actually powder, roughly, and then we'll put it in this. We'll add a sugar in this, lots of sugar. Yeah, now it's ready. Yeah, so now it's ready. So it looks really delicious. Please try this at home and give me a feedback. Cheers.